Let's go!
No. It's a choice. Listen to this, guys. Something pure and something strong. Look first to yourself, and you won't go wrong.
Strong. That must be the one made of iron.
But iron's not pure. Take the gold. It's getting really hard to breathe.
That's what happens when you're getting roasted alive. You might want to make a decision soon, Hiccup. We don't have much time.
Look to yourself.
Careful, it could be a trap.
We've got to get out of here!
Through there!
No! We're not leaving them!
If we don't go now, we'll all be trapped. There won't be anybody to help Hiccup.
We gotta find some way out of here. Give us some light, bud. I wonder. Well, we've come this far.
Keep digging! We gotta find them!
Find who? Son.